'86. I'll be an aggressor, so you guys go up and I'll come up behind you.
Take off flaps.
Why are you trying to tell people what to do, Frank? What the hell?
Man, y'all are like hogging up the line.
Well, you can walk forward. Shit.
Alright, Ron, you're ahead. Why don't you go ahead? You go first.
Timer clear.
So you're good there? I mean, you want me to stand somewhere else or you're okay? I know, I'm asking. I just don't want to be in your way.
Should I, one leg in, one leg out?
No, actually, Ron, I think Vanessa, you hopped on one leg on that. That'd be great.
Ass. You're an
Alright.
ass.
Take it now.
You guys go ahead. I'll go up after you.
And it got windy.
All of a sudden, whoa, it's a rotor.
Yeah.
It's flipping me over.
I want to keep my speed with this.
Oh, yeah.
Problem is, Rand's got this big safari hat, so I gotta try to get around him.
This fan needs to go back to his maker.
Well, if it's not abused by the person who gets it, it'll be fine. You abuser?
Frank, how are you?
He's back here.
Oh, man, this is jazz.
Time remaining.
I can say you're way more comfortable with it now,
And it sounds fucking amazing.
and it's all you. I think that the size of that plane makes you guys think that it's slower than it is. That thing's moving pretty good. Why are we making the turn so tight right there?
Time remaining 1 minute.
That's the way it should be. Alright, Frank, I'm trying to get on you here.
102.
That's alright.
Oh, wow, it does invert it pretty well.
30 seconds. Nine,
You're
8,
down. Landing.
7, 6, 5,
Landing?
4,
Yeah.
3,
I'm going to try to do a pass before you land.
1.
I'm ahead of you.
Time expired.
Alright, go ahead, Frank. I'm going to come in after you. I'm going to do a gear pass.
And it's freaking turbulent.
It is very.
Right, Frank, after you. And it's scary.
Oh, don't be scared. You'll be fine. Just tell me when you're down. I'll come in after. I'm just in cruise mode.
Coming, you're good. Nice. You're good, Ray.
Okay.
Gear down.
Come on and taxi back, Frank. I'm going to walk ahead here.
1 minute over. Landing flaps.
I like
Guys, I don't think you realize how fast that plane is. Because we consider the F-5 to be pretty fast, right? I'm struggling to keep up. Seriously. You don't really, it's big. I mean, it's big. But a couple times I'm like, fuck, how am I can't catch him. Seriously, I had to start cutting corners because I couldn't catch it. So it's quick. And you know this thing's fast.